Man, Lagos. The guy that just left the stage is my immediate elder brother. I'm gonna clap for him. Now I do a sharp. You know, say now no better money for offering. Now they set hand like one fight person. Hold and strong. No joke for this country again, no. Evil joke, don't scare. Even this waka where the waka and a cappella joke. I feel come down and I go say, why you crack my waka? Everything alright. A cappella get mine though. You want to show it, put only himself. A coat take us full like this. For Bini, you can't put only your picture. Say my mic and I. Now let your mic go come. Bini will be safe, you know put artist naked picture, they know they come. Now Bini that they put artists for show, you put the amount where you take carry the artist for the jingle. He said, ladies and gentlemen, it's comedy meet music in the ancient city of Benin, featuring comedians, Akpororo, 3 million, Acapella, 3 million, Godons, 5 million, Basketmouth, 6 million, Whiskey, 19 million, Two-Face, 35 million, total, 75 million. Mona no beg me for ticket. I no go come. Everything don't get for this country, every joke don't scarce. Joke don't scare, so this guy they can't say this joke now my joke. Me anybody no crack my joke. My brother, some people they backstage they shout now God get joke. Bring it down. I don't life now says so. To even blow for this country now, it they hard my brothers and sisters so. To blow easy, now dance senator blow before it became. I got it say follow my son on Instagram. Now today, I don't go show before. I go show. I never reach the show. Now I don't say the MC don't they crack my jokes. Now I tell the other MC say if I crack joke, if you say they don't crack the joke before, me just do. I know say they don't crack the joke. So now I say ladies and gentlemen, I know say that guy say. Now I said I know say that for this Lagos, that guy say. I said, I don't say now women for Lagos. Now that guy say, he gave a rich guy gonna do. I said, what happened? He said, they don't crack down what you they think. No show again. Now let Lagos show the fool like this. Now go Benin now. No show for Benin. Now Benin they will call you, you can't do show. They'll give you dress code. They'll say wear red and red. When you read the show, you come and say now Yelala the end of the year party. If you crack joke, it's the way they go loud. And you call the ask, why they do? Say they're happy with you. Once they do, you get run for your life. They want to use it for ritual. Everything don't scarce, my brothers and sisters. And they see Two-Face in Dibia. God go bless you. I'm going to clap for Two-Face. I'm going to clap for Two-Face. Now that they try now. All this one, they don't promote music, tire. My state now, nothing again. Now only my state that they use gospel song, advertise glory and mercy. Get the walk out there, yeah, on Christ the solid rock I stand. Oh Lord, I grant sink his sand. Oh Lord, I grant sink his sand. Jesus root, now the root where they come on your mouth for body. All the suffer where they suffer from cocoa, all the cocoa. They just through my brother come out for your body one time. My brother and sister, that is the soul of between my German. Now Gloria, you carry so drink Jesus through you come out for your body. Oh Lord, I grant. Yes. Everywhere don't rugged. This life now sense that they use. Me, if I dey drive big motor, I want buy fuel. And I know say I don't get money for fuel and I carry get for front. Before I reach the filling station, I go put Mr. 2K song. If I don't read the get money, we no like banana, who bought pick I call before I tell that you know sing this song. I say we will say 2K, I say put up for my fuel tank. No, all those one now intelligent. Truth. I don't go party before now. I go party that they do one successful party for up, that they do unsuccessful party for down. Now me the MC the unsuccessful wedding party, the successful wedding party they up. As we they dance, food don't finish for down. We know they enjoy that one. I the groom say more climb up, go meet a friend for up. Say more go the chop for the successful wedding party for up. As we reach there, part body go up. We come and say now Saraki be the chairman. As we reach the next Rakiko, they say, MC, why did you people pack to this party? And I say, okay, she said, only you like to change party. No worry, they know they could get up. You know, say that Lagos, what's your crack joke? You can say an intelligent joke. You can ask, now understand the joke? Say no. When I reach out now, I go understand I'm an intelligent joke. One guy can go to one for Bini. He crack joke, they don't understand. I say, we don't understand the joke? Now they say no. He say, okay, when I reach out now, I go understand an intelligent joke. And that's called provoke men for there. They call, they say, this guy called the say we no go school. Even if we don't go school, our gate fee is supposed to be intelligent. So after the show, when the guy they go out, now they call the guy intelligent comedian come. So we idiots, we don't go school. Correct guy. They beat the guy for 4 hours. Now they ask the guy, you understand the beating? The guy say no. Now they tell him, say, okay, now intelligent beating. When you reach mortuary, now you go feel the pain. No, we don't together. We don't together. Time no day. Seriously, this country don't red, my brothers and sisters. This country where people they smoke, go, they advance to they go church. People they talk say, Buhari this, Buhari that. When they go tell Buhari, I know they fear him. I know they fear Buhari. This country don't fail. I suppose quarrel with that Buhari so that he go increase my personality. You see, for Vanguard newspaper, a popular comedian in deep crisis with the president of Nigeria, Buhari. If my mama they work out for village, and mama go, the people go tell mama say, mama I don't pick. We hear say your pikin they quarrel with Buhari. Go say now God do one for us. Sure. My brothers and sisters, what they make me really vex pass now, eh? Now guess. People they always they talk say, guess they talk say what a man can do, women can do better. Ladies and gentlemen, there are so many things we man fit do, where women no fit do. So many things. It's just that now women, God give waiting know the two show. We men, once we're in the mood, we must get waiting the show. Even when you say you know one, this idiot go say, You understand? I don't know why God not do for woman. Say if woman want, she said go get waiting the show. Maybe if woman want, one of her ear go the shake. Bring her down now. Or if woman want, one of her with one go just stand up. Even when she say, you know, I say, baby, look at you want to look at your with voice standing. Cow. And at this country, men they call women angels. Hello, check the Bible. Now we be angels. Angel Lillian, the Bible. Angel Grace, the Bible. Angel Cynthia, the Bible. No be Angel Michael and Angel Gabriel. All the men want to clap for themselves. And at this country, person they call fat girl angel. Angel the fat. Who fat I want to fly? No, the thing they make me the best. When I tell you say this thing way there, so you know the respect itself. Now one day when I enter Tazi for Benin, with the drive they go. I can sit down near the driver. Driver they play blues, back don't fool. We just they cruise, they go small time. Now the driver say, okay, make me shift. You want to carry one fat girl for front. The girl everywhere equipped. Now the girl comes down near me. Okay, for me to get space, I can put one leg for the driver side. So whenever they change gear, I call them between my leg. Driver they play blues, the motor they enter gallop. Me call stand up now, I call sit down and my son name call stand up. My son name call the same level with the gear. We they go now with this sharp corner, driver one change gear, I know they look where they hole. Now my own call the now me call the shout out, God drive your motor, leave my own. Oh. Now another my motor you they drive so I know say get the way gear no take work to carry the gear go. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is MC Adopeke. I love you all. Good night. Lagos!